We hear the word diversity in all corners of society these days, often contexts that might seem far removed from our businesses. Diversity is more relevant than you realize. The market is highly competitive, making an inclusive business strategy with the greatest opportunity for leads, listings, and leverage more important than ever. Statistics show that residential housing markets are becoming more diverse and homeownership has an increasingly multicultural future. Now, this provides an opportunity for real estate professionals to grow their business and work with a diverse population to maintain a strong, sustainable business. The KW Diversity Certification is designed to provide real estate professionals with the education, resources, and tools they need to successfully tailor their business strategy to appeal to a wider customer base. Real estate professionals will develop and strengthen their understanding of diversity to become more aware of the unique differences among people and to better address consumers' needs and avoid discriminatory housing practices. As an agent of distinction, you commit to promoting and supporting homeownership. You're prepared to empower communities and improve lives through the wealth-building power of homeownership. You're an agent of distinction, and you work to address barriers to move the needle toward equitable change. We're all in this together to ensure that the future of real estate is filled with opportunity and promise for all.